Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making Rabri, a rich, creamy and delicious dessert that melts in your mouth. Let's start. First, take 3 to 4 slices of bread, cut off the edges and chop into small pieces. Rabri is a royal dessert that dates back to ancient India. This Rabri dessert is creamy, delicious and super easy to make. Blend until you get fine breadcrumbs. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon water. This prevents the milk from sticking. Pour 1 liter of milk and let it boil on medium heat. Use full-fat milk for the best texture and taste. Stir occasionally to avoid burning. Add 1/4 cup sugar and half teaspoon cardamom powder for aroma. Mix well. Cardamom aids digestion and adds a soothing aroma. Add the blended breadcrumbs and stir. Milk is rich in calcium and helps maintain strong bones. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes until the mixture thickens. Now in a separate pan, add 1/4 cup sugar and 1 tablespoon water. Cook on low heat until it turns golden brown and caramelized. Pour this over the rabri and mix well. Caramelized sugar enhances the flavor and richness, making it even more indulgent. Cook for 2 more minutes, then turn off the heat. Keep stirring while cooking to prevent lumps. Let the rabri cool down completely. Garnish with dry fruits for extra crunch and flavor. Traditionally, it takes hours to make, but this quick version gives the same creamy texture in just minutes. Chill in the fridge for 2 hours for a thicker and creamier consistency. Serve and enjoy. Try it at home and let us know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Cake and Cookies for more amazing dessert recipes. See you in the next video.